Hello guys, for today's lesson, we will go to paper 2 documentation. We will go to paper 2 documentation and the paper that we are going to use today, May June 2025 version 2.1. Now, let's go to the questions you have been supplied with the source files given. Go to the task 1 evidence document. Now, open the file evidence.rtf from the source file. Click enable editing so that you can edit. Make sure your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page. Now, let's put our details on the page. Okay, so we can put either header or footer. So I will just double click on this to get the header, and then I will enter name, our center number, and our candidate number. Next, save this document in your work area as evidence, followed by your candidate number. So examples given here. Next, file, save as, browse, save as evidence, followed by your candidate number, and save with a format Word document. Change RTF to Word document. Click save. Okay. Now, to exit the header, you can just double click anywhere outside the line. In the evidence document, you will place all your screenshots that the questions require you to put. Now, task 2 document. You are going to edit a document about exams. The school uses corporate house style for all its document. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. Now, our main task for today is document production, which is the software that you are going to use is Word document. Now, open the file J2521 examinfo.rtf. Click enable editing. This the page setup is set to A4 landscape 2.5. Do not make changes to these settings, so do not do anything to the margin, orientation, and the size of the paper. 3 paragraph styles have already been created, so do not change that as well. Now your job is to save the document with the name examguide.docx. Now go to your exam info file, save as exam guide. Spelling should be exactly same with the questions, and the format change to Word document. Exam guide, change the format to Word document. Make sure you save in a correct place, check, or you can just go to more options here so that you can clearly see where you save your work. Click save. Now, place in your evidence document a screenshot. Now you have to take a screenshot of how you save your file. This is the proof that you have saved your file in a correct format. So for the evidence, you have to go to File Explorer and make sure your tabs are fully visible, Microsoft Word document. Now let's take a screenshot by using a snipping tool. So I will just focus on the exam guide for the proof. Copy and paste in the step 1. evidence because the questions is in a step 1. Next. Place in the exam guide document a center aligned header with automated page numbers. Now, let's go to the our exam guide. To insert the header, go to the insert header. We are going to put it in the center, so we will choose 3 column. So let's put our page number. Click type here. You have to select the center first, then make sure you are in header and footer. Go to page number, current position. Okay, now I will delete the right and left side as it is not needed. The next part is you have to put right align footer with a single line. All right, so you have to put things on the right side with the word produced by, then a space. You have to put a space followed by name, comma, center number, and candidate number. So now let's put our footer to the exam guide. So click insert footer, choose blank 3 column to get the right side. This is the right side. Now type the word produced by, produced by colon, a space, name, a center number, and candidate number. Then the rest is not needed. We can just delete it. Select, delete, backspace. Next, make sure all alignments match the page margin. Means that the header and footer that you add just now should be within the margin, and no other text and placeholders. As you see just now, I deleted all the text that are not needed. And then you have to and make sure that all the header and footer are displayed on every pages. So you go to every page to check. Next, select the subheading general and the following text up, and including the paragraph ending with the evidence provided by. After that, change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns. So we have to highlight from general until evidence provided, and this text we have to put in 2 columns with 2 centimeter space. Now, what you do, go to the exam guide. To exit the header, you can just close header and footer here. Now, highlight the general until the base on the evidence provided by. Go to the layout column. Do not click 2 because you need to put the spacing. You have to go to more columns. Here, then only you can choose 2 column, change the spacing to 2 centimeter, and click OK. Now you have 2 centimeter spacing with 2 columns paragraph. Next. Apply bullets list to the text from mobile phones to enable electronic devices. So let's go find our list, mobile phones to electronic devices. Highlight, select, go to home, and then apply the bullet list. Next step. Format the bullet list as the so that the bullet are indented 2.5 centimeter, a space 2.5 centimeter from the left margin. To do that, first select the bullet, all the bullet lists, right click, choose paragraph. Then go to the indentation, left put 2.5. Correct, right? 2.5. Okay. 2.5 left margin indentation. Click OK. Next, the list should be in single line spacing and no space before and after. For that, same, select again, right click, paragraph. So you will get the line spacing, choose single. So for no space before and after, we put 0 before and 0 after. So you will notice there is no space in between the line. Click OK. Now, no more spacing. Go back. Now, there is 6 point space after the last item. So, after the last item, electronic devices, there is a 6 point space after that. For that, what you do, put your cursor in the last point. You can either select or you can just put your cursor anywhere in the last point. Then right click, paragraph. Then after you put 6 point, click OK. Then you will notice you will have a little bit gap after the electronic devices and before the position. Okay, next, look at the table in the document. So find the table, right? Then delete the entire row is vertical, row is horizontal, left, right. So you have to delete entire row for business unit 1. Now what you do, go to the exam guide, find the table. So this is a table. Sometimes you might be confused for the table, which part is which of the content, which of the text, which of the pictures that belongs to the table. So what you do, you select anywhere inside the table. You will notice the icon up, down, left, right. So you click this, then you notice you will see all the things that belongs to the table is selected. So what you do, you can put the temporary border first so that you will not be confusing. Okay, now I will find the business unit. We need to delete this. All right, so delete the whole row, right click, delete cells, entire row of the business unit 1. Next, sort all the data in the table from math paper 1 to combined science paper 3. So what we do, we have to sort from maths paper 1 until combined science paper 3. We have to sort it in ascending order of the exam dates. Okay, so what do we do? What we do, we want to arrange this based on the exam date, which mean we want to arrange exam date in ascending order, but you cannot you cannot change only this particular exam dates because it will not match with uh the data besides them. It will not be correct. All right, because the question want integrity, means that the record should be correct. For example, math paper 1 should be on 16 May, not math paper 1 on 11 June. So you have to make sure the record is correct. For maths paper 1, the exam is on 16 May and the session should be on AM morning and the duration should be 1 hour 30 minutes. Should be this record, not the different record. Okay, they should be matched to each other. Okay, now what do? We highlight all this data together with the heading, subject, exam date, session, and duration. So what we do, we go to home tab, editing. No, sorry. Home tab, you see AZ. This means sort. Okay, click this, and then because of you have a header row, subject, exam date, you make sure your choose my list has a header row. Then from here you can choose exam date. That's what you are going to sort. Choose ascending. Click OK. Later we are going to see math paper 1 match or not, 16 May AM and 1 hour 30 minutes. Click OK. So let's find here math paper 1 Sesame AM 1 hour 30 minutes. So the record is correct. The integrity is there. Correct? Next. And yep, exam date is in ascending order 13, 14, 21, 3 for June, and so on. Next. Apply to the table 0.5 grid line to all cells. Grid line refer to the line inside the cells, inside the table. Okay. 3 to 4 point external black border refer to the line outside. Okay. If I draw, okay, external line is the outside and grid line is the line inside here. Okay, the line inside. So we want the outside to be thicker than the inside. Let's do that. 0.5 and 3 to 4 points. Thickness, this refer to the thickness of the line, the border. Now, go to here, you can select. All right, there are two ways you can go. You can just right click, go to the table properties, or you can actually go to the table design borders. You can click the small arrow here to get the borders and shading. Okay, now we want 3 centimeter external, 3 points external, so we will choose 3. Okay. Okay, so we want only the outside one only. So what we do, we have to remove the inside one. So click. You see my cursor here? My cursor is here. I click to remove the inside one, the inside line. Okay. And then the line inside half. So let's put the line inside. This one also. Yeah. Click this and click this to get the line inside. Then click OK. There you go. Half inside, 3 points in outside external border. Next, format the first row so that first row of the table so that it become a single cell. Okay, one cell only, which means we have to merge probably. Later we will see that. Okay, and the text should be centered and vertically and light gray. Okay, 20 to 40. Now let's go. So we want this to be merge one cell only. So highlight. You can right click, choose merge cells. There you go. And then we will go to vertical and horizontally center. For that, we go to table layout. Make sure the text is selected. We choose this for table layout, alignment, vertical and horizontally center. And then go to shading. You can either go table design to get the shading. You want to go to home to get the shading also can. So we want 20 to 40. So let's wait until they display the percentage here. We want 20 to 40. Yep, this one is fine. Okay, then next, apply the EX table style to row 2 to from row 2 to row 12 only. So what we do, we highlight row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. Okay, highlight that and then go to the home tab, styles, choose X table. There you go. Next, format the table so that all the text should be only in one line only, and the table and all the data should be within the column width which mean everything should be within this column with. Now let's make it as a one line, all the text with one line. I'm going to resize this section. You see left and right arrow, then you can move. Okay, maybe this one I drag a bit. Okay, this one also we drag a bit. Okay, maybe we drag a bit the duration so that we can get one line only. We can get one line only. Okay, there you go, we get one line only. Next, create and store the following styles. Okay, now we have to create a new styles called X subhead. To do that, what we need to do, we go to the home tab, go to the styles, go to the to open the style manager, you have to go to the small arrow on the bottom right of the styles, then you will get this dialog box, this box, task manager. Sorry, not task manager, we call this as a style manager. Okay, now click A plus to insert a new style. We are going to name it as EX subhead. EX subhead. Spelling should be exactly same with the question paper. S should be small letter. Okay. Then style based on please choose normal. Style based on please choose normal. Okay. Next. Uh, font style is sans serif. Then we can go either Arial or Calibri. Next, 18 points, center, bold, and underline. So, 18, 18, enter, bold, and underline. Okay, so you will see the preview here. Next. The line spacing should be single, spacing before and after should be zero. Now, what you do, go to the format, paragraph, line spacing single, spacing before and after should be zero. Click OK. There you go. Double check everything before you click OK. Click OK. Done. So we have X subhead here. Next. Okay, now we have to take a screenshot to show the proof that we managed to store our EX subhead styles. Make sure that your evidence based on the default or normal paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. Now, what you do, you have to open back your subhead. How to open back? You right click on EX subhead, choose modify, and then go to the format, paragraph to open a paragraph box. Now take a screenshot of both of these and make sure the style is on normal. Okay, copy. We have to paste this in evidence. Step 11. Before you, when you want to go to another word, they will not allow you. So you have to click OK first. Click OK first. Then it will allow you to go to other Word document. Okay, now can. Okay, next. And now identify the four subheading and apply EX subhead to each one. Now let's go to our exam guide and identify the EX subhead. So we have one general EX subhead. Okay, and then we have attendance to EX, EX subhead. Okay, exam room. EX subhead, and one more, where is one more? Special arrangement. Okay, finish. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, in the last paragraph, locate. Locate means find the text result nomination forms and format this text so that when you click the text, it will open the document results.rtf. Now let's find the word results nomination form. To find the word, this one, style manager, we are there, we can close. To find the to find the word, what we do, press CTRL F on your keyboard, then you can find the word nomination form just now. Yep, result nomination form. Okay. Results nomination form. So I found one here actually. Results nomination form. I'm going to highlight this word, then this one I close as I'm not using it anymore. Okay, highlight the word, right click, link. We are going to apply the link so that when you click, this text will become the link. Where you click on this word, it will open another file. So as that is another file, we go to the existing file and choose, what is it just now? Result.rtf. Where is result.rtf? Here, the last one. Click, then okay. Now you see it changed to the blue color. Link by default, it's blue and underline. Okay, next. Now you have to take a screenshot to show the proof that you managed to link the text. So to take a screenshot, what you do, you have to open again the box, the link box just now. So you select again, right click, choose edit hyperlink. So from here you can take this screenshot. Okay, so this is evidence step 13. Let's go to, you have to click OK first, then it will allows you to go to another document. Okay, step 13, peace, done. Next, spell check and proofread the document. So now you have to check all the document, make sure it is properly arranged. Now, you have to check if you have a list and table, they are not split over the pages or column 1, column 2, half list in the column 1, half list in the column 2. You have to check that. No widows or orphans, no one line sentence alone in the different paragraph or in a different page in the different column. Okay, no blank pages. Styles all maintained means that, for example, the body text should be in a body styles. Okay, and make sure you have a consistent spacing. So let's double check on that one by one. Okay, first page. Okay, now you see we have one orphans hyphens here. Sorry, no, orphan and widow. Okay, so what we do, we can push this uh, a little bit down so that we can have more words here, so that it will not be alone there. Okay, next. I just want to double check this to ensure that we have no spacing as the questions wants without the spacing. Okay. And I put back this as a 6 points just now, just to double check. Okay, I think should be okay there. All right. Okay, now Let's check if any of the grammar mistakes questions will be okay. Let's not change that. If you have timetable clash, okay, let me zoom a bit so that you can see what the changes that I made. This one possible, right click, possible. Okay, now I check all the grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, the layout, the paragraph, the margins, the list, the tables, all is correct. Now you save. And also every time you make a changes, it's better for you to save as well. So that when anything happen, you still have your work. You do not have to redo back from the start. Okay. Alright, then I save everything. Um Print the document. Now it's time for you to print document. How to print the document? Go to file. You have to print the exam guide lah. Go to file, print, then print. Okay, you have 2 pages of the printing document, printed document. Okay, that's all for the lesson today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you in the next video class.